We're now at Scapes Hotel and we're going to give you a quick tour and a review. Let's go!
Once you go inside, you will notice this eye-catching rope chandelier. I have to say, it's quite artistic. Our check-in was smooth and straightforward, although there was few people, not sure during peak periods. The lobby isn't particularly large, but it offers enough seating space for guests. Behind, an extension that provides additional lounge seating for guests. Just a short walk from the lobby is the dining area. Here, you'll find breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffets, and you can also order from the a la carte menu. This place is quite spacious and can easily accommodate hundreds of guests. In the video, I'll show you the breakfast buffet and whether it's worth it or not. Now let's go outside and check what facilities they have.
Opposite the gym and the pool is the Pastry Side Cafe. So you can relax here, have some coffee, bread in the afternoon or morning.
So guys, we're now going to the gym and let's see what equipments they have.
The gym is spacious and has enough equipment. What we really like is the large windows here. It feels refreshing to exercise, with natural light and views of the pool outside.
It's quite peaceful,
It's near the nature.
near nature, far from the crowd, the people.
Fresh air. Peace and calmness.
So this is the pool. Looks nice.
Across this side, there's a playground for kids. They get swing, seesaw, slides. You can fall asleep here. You want to read your books. You want to use your phone.
So guys, if you like outdoor workout, you can do exercise here while enjoying nature.
Now, let's go to our room. In case you're wondering, we booked deluxe triple room. 3 adults for 1 night, costs us 289 ringgit, includes breakfast. You get 1 queen bed and 1 small bed. From our experience, the mattress is comfortable. Personally, I really love this window view. The greenery and hills outside gives the room a calm and refreshing feel. In the room, you also have a telephone, directory for room service, food, housekeeping, and more. They also have this note in case you want to dine for breakfast. There is an electric pot for boiling water, free tea bags, creamier, sugar, and coffee. Cups for drinking water or hot drink. Then pitcher for water. Do note, you can refill water at hallway, but it can be very slow. Small drawer underneath. Small refrigerator for storing drinks and food in case you bought outside. Hangers for clothes. Iron and iron stand. Slippers and laundry bag. While the other drawer, you'll see the main control switch, safety box for your personal belongings, and 1 big drawer. We found the bathroom to be clean and adequately maintained. The sink, toilet, and shower area were all in good condition and working.
So guys, this is the breakfast buffet. This is included in our booking. Here is the salad section if you want something healthy. This is peach, guys. Watermelon, some banana.
They also got soup, chicken soup,
Oh, okay.
lunch and water.
What? Pisang is banana. Lipat is like sticky rice.
Maybe. Mini pao.
Assorted mini pao.
Wow!
Oh, nasa lemak. Fried anchovies, egg, and white rice.
Samba.
Sambal.
I think this chicken rendang.
Ah, chicken rendang. Wow, looks delicious.
I like this one.
Baked beans.
I want to
Wow,
get
American.
cornflakes, choco chops, cereals,
Cereals, okay.
water,
So this
fresh
is where you
milk,
get fresh milk.
green guava juice, orange juice for coffee lovers. Then you have sugar, creamer, sticks. They have tea, hot
Hot water.
Vegetables curry.
I love waffles, but it's not that big.
You
Syrup.
can preheat in the oven. They have instruction how to do it. They have breads.
White bread.
Loaf bread.
Loaf bread. Wheat bread.
Soft
Looks like
bun.
Soft bun.
And plain
Croissant.
croissant.
So guys, this is what we got. We got salad, bread, some, what do you call this, butter, spread, jam, and banana, watermelon, papaya, coffee, beans, got pao here, and I forgot the name, eggs, rendang, nasa lemak, sausage.
Before we end this review, here are some highlights and things to consider. If you don't have a car, no problem. Grab service is available and easy to book. Whether you're going to Genting Permai Avenue, a small town in Genting Highlands, or Genting Highlands main attractions. Our final thoughts? Scapes Hotel Genting Highlands is a good option for travelers seeking a peaceful and affordable stay near Genting. It's especially suitable for families and those who don't mind being slightly away from the main attractions.